Well, here we are everyone. It's nearly midday on a Wednesday and we just got the first lot of rain coming and the first gust of wind will arrive. So here's the bottom end of the Yardie, just about ready to start. We've got a few more hours to go yet, but there's a lot more to come. Well guys, starting to rain here, the wind's starting to blow. This is what it looks like from my place. We get the gust now and again. So yeah, I think the big blow's going to be coming here in a couple of hours, eh?